Spending $100 or more on a detailing kit better mean better products, better results, and nothing you need to replace in a month. I tested 7 premium detailing kits from Amazon against that exact standard, and not all of them passed. Here's the honest ranking. The first on the list is the Chemical Guys Leather Cleaner and Conditioner Detailing Kit. This 9-piece system specializes in restoring and protecting leather seats in luxury vehicles. The pH-balanced leather cleaner penetrates deep into leather pores to lift dirt and body oils. The conditioner restores suppleness and protects against cracking and fading. Chemical Guys formulas are trusted by detailing professionals worldwide. However, this kit is specialized for leather care, so it does not include exterior wash or paint protection products. For leather-focused owners, the Chemical Guys Leather Cleaner and Conditioner Detailing Kit is a specialized choice. At number 2, we have the Proper Detailing Company Premium Car Detailing Brush Set. This 6-piece collection offers variety with 2 boar hair brushes, 2 ultra-soft brushes, and 2 synthetic options. Each bristle type is engineered for different surfaces and cleaning intensities. Boar hair handles delicate leather and paint, ultra-soft tackles air vents, and synthetics scrub wheels and emblems. From a trusted detailing brand, these brushes deliver professional results. However, 6 brushes still leaves room for more specialized tools if you tackle unusual surfaces or complex detailing jobs. For complete coverage, the Proper Detailing Company Premium Car Detailing Brush Set is a professional choice. At number 3, we have the Chemical Guys Professional Grade Premium Microfiber Towels. This 6-pack of 24 by 16-inch cloths represents a professional standard in the detailing world. Ultra-soft fibers safely remove wax, sealant, polish residue, and quick detail spray without swirling or scratching paint. Each towel is engineered for multiple washes and maintains softness even after repeated use. Heavy absorbency speeds up drying and buffing work. However, quality microfiber towels require proper washing techniques to maintain their condition, so careless laundering degrades performance. For meticulous detailers, the Chemical Guys Professional Grade Premium Microfiber Towels are a quality choice. At number 4, we have the GASLIKE 56-piece Car Wash Cleaning Kit. This comprehensive bundle includes a foam gun that connects to any standard garden hose for pre-soaking and rinsing. A long-handled brush makes reaching roof lines and side panels easier without strain. The kit contains drying towels, brushes, and accessory tools for complete exterior washing. An adjustable hose sprayer with quick connectors simplifies setup and water flow control. However, some users report that hose connections can occasionally leak if not fully tightened before use. For thorough exterior washing, the GASLIKE 56-piece Car Wash Cleaning Kit is a comprehensive choice. At number 5, we have the TTRCB 27-piece Car Detailing Kit. This set brings together brushes, drill brush attachments, microfiber cloths, and polishing supplies in one package. The drill brush compatibility lets you mechanize tough cleaning jobs on wheels and undercarriage areas. You get multiple brush densities for interior and exterior surfaces, plus pads for polishing work. The kit covers washing, detailing, and finishing in one investment. However, motorized brush cleaning requires a power drill, and users unfamiliar with power tool technique may over-scrub and damage surfaces. For powered cleaning enthusiasts, the TTRCB 27-piece Car Detailing Kit is a comprehensive choice. Coming up next, we have the Fitosy Car Clay Bar 4-pack. These premium-grade clay bars remove contaminants that regular washing misses, including tree sap, bug residue, and industrial fallout. A total of 400 grams provides enough clay for multiple vehicles or several complete detailing sessions. The clay-to-paint ratio is optimized to grab contaminants without damaging clear coat. This preparation step is essential before applying wax or sealant for best results. However, clay bars require a proper lubricant to glide across paint, so plan to purchase additional detailing spray if you lack one. For paint preparation, the Fitosy Car Clay Bar 4-pack is an essential choice. The last one on our list is the Wontolf Complete Car Clay Bar Auto Detailing Kit. This 19-item system bundles clay bars with a specialized clay lubricant, car wash soap, and butter wet wax in one kit. The wax provides gloss and water-beating protection after clay and wash steps. The soap is formulated to not strip existing protection. Having all components together streamlines your multi-step detailing process. However, the wax finish is temporary compared to professional-grade sealants, requiring reapplication every few months. For complete multi-step detailing, the Wontolf Complete Car Clay Bar Auto Detailing Kit is a convenient choice. That covers our premium detailing kit lineup. Each option delivers professional results for owners who invest in quality tools and products. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more gear reviews.